4 classes A, B, C, and D raised money for charity. Classes A and B raised a total of $108, so which means A and B raised a total of $108. Together, classes B, C, and D raised a total of $180. So B, C, and D, their total is $180. The total amount of money raised by all 4 classes is 5 times the amount of money that class B raised. How much money did class B raise? Now, in order to deal with the next statement, which is the total amount raised by all 4 classes, the only way is to add these two models up. So when we add these two models, we will get A, we will get B, plus BCD, B, C, and D as well. Alright, which will give us a total here of 108 plus $180, which is $288. Okay, so if we do some simple rearrangement of this model, we can actually get the 4 classes A, B, C, and D, plus an additional for B as well. Alright, because there are 2 B's here. Okay, what they have said is that these 4 classes here is the same as 5 times of B. Right? So instead of putting A, B, C, and D, we can put 5 units of B plus 1 unit of B, which totals 6 units of B, and that will be equals to, again, $288 here. $288. So 6 units of B is equivalent to $288. 1 unit of B will be 288 divided by 6. 288 divided by 6. $48 is the answer for this question.